How to fix the issue of content not accessible in Roblox. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Roblox application and provide your email or your username and password to log in. Once you have logged in with your account details, at the top in your profile, you will simply see the option of settings. So simply click on setting gear icon. From that menu, go to privacy and content. After that, in privacy and content, you will see the option of content maturity. Simply click on it. And from this scale, you simply need to move the scale to moderate. Once you do so, you will be able to access the content which was not accessible previously. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.